Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Zara Kiki TV, aka the young YouTuber in Highland. Please guys, if today is your first time to come across this my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, press the notification bell. Anytime, any day I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys for my next video. Bye bye.
If you are in Lagos and Asaba and your girlfriend has told you she's going for weekend, she's in Oba. Oba is in Anambra State. Check out your girlfriend. So
there is money, then there is Igbo money, and then there is Anambra money. If you're still in disbelief of this statement, then you're in for a shock as nightlife entrepreneur and Igbo billionaire Obi Cubana breaks the record for getting the most livestock gift in Nigeria over the burial of his mother. Guinness Book of Records should be taking notes by now. As of the latest count, the celebrity club owner got 346 cows, 72 rams, and 20 goats from his friends, associates, and proteges ahead of the July 16, 2021 ceremony taking place in Afo Uzo Oba in Anambra State. According to the businessman, his former employee and celebrity barman, Cubana chief priest, alone gifted him 46 cows, and young billionaire Joey Zaza gifted him 10 cows. At the same time, the rest came from other individuals. Shocked beyond measures by the outrageous number of livestock gifts, it has now got tongues waggling on social media. They wonder if the businessman is having a burial ceremony or about to establish a livestock farm. Also reacting, DJ Begin has advised Obi Cubana to either become a herdsman or give out some of his livestock because all cannot be slaughtered for the ceremony. Another social media user who thinks the billionaire has no business dragging position with Fulani herders has a better solution. He said, "No need to cook food, just serve everyone meat for the funeral." As if things couldn't get any more interested, the billionaire club owner, who also splashed himself with a diamond encrusted chain worth 40 million naira for his ceremony, shut down the whole Anambra as a celebrities trooped to the mother of all burial ceremonies in the country. Guests have equally turned the venue into a playground for money fights as they stone each other words of hard currency. Who is Obi Cubana? Why is he getting so many livestock gifts for his mother's burial? And how are Nigerians reacting? Hello guys, it's T-Code here for African Glitz. Obi Iyegbu, popularly known as Obi Cubana, is a 45-year-old billionaire entrepreneur and lifestyle boss from Afo Uzo Oba in Demili South local government area of Anambra State. He is the CEO of Cubana Group, a chain of nightclubs and hotels in the highbrow areas of Nigeria, including Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, and Owerri. His net worth has been estimated to be a whopping $96 million. Obi Cubana has been described as supportive socialites, and this has won in the hearts of many, including politicians, celebrities, and his kinsmen. He also reportedly helped many of his fellow Igbo brothers, among which is celebrity barman Cubana chief priest, his former staff. Coming after the death of his 78-year-old mother, Ezinne Odoziaku Akaeze Uche Iyegbu, in December of 2020, his friends, associates, and proteges found the perfect opportunity to support and repay all his kindness. Why, you must have guessed, they showered him with hundreds of livestock, causing him to become the center of all discussions and social media trends ahead of his mother's final burial ceremony, which took place on Friday, July 16, 2021 at Uzoba in Anambra. The billionaire businessman received over 500 livestock alone to support the celebration. In a video that has since gone viral, Obi Cubana initially claimed to have received 246 cows and still expecting more, while he asked his followers if they would love to eat meat. He then added that 46 of them alone came from his former loyal barman, Cubana chief priest, and 10 from a young billionaire called Joey Zaza. Given an update later, DJ Begin said the number of livestock in the billionaire's compound has risen to 346 cows, 72 rams, and 20 goats, while adding that he has no choice but to either become a herdsman or give out some of the livestock because they can't slaughter all for the burial ceremony. shocked. On hearing this figure, which many swear breaks the long-standing record of Mike Adenuga, Nigerians have since gone gaga and been reacting on social media. Here are some reactions. A social media user wrote, "Even if he gives 1 cow to each state, they will still have leftovers." Another user wrote, "Burial where everybody they do it 1 to 5 cows. He reach Obi Kubana turn, Baba don't turn to herdsman." Another user wrote, "Even herdsmen no gets rich like that. Kubana farms loading." Talent manager Kara has also expressed worry about the mentality of young people idolizing Obi Kubana's display of wealth, which he describes as hush puppy style, adding that it may push many to envy and lead them to a life of crime. Concluding a post, she then asked what the poor cows did to deserve to die. Popular influencer DJ Pecking took to his page to say that Obi Kubana did not receive over 500 livestock because he's a good person, but because he's a rich man. Comedian Funny Bone defended Obi Kubana in a post, saying that the businessman has given out over 500 cows in the past to people, adding that he supports people a lot. He said no A-list event or social function he ever attended or considered that Obi Kubana was not in attendance. According to him, the businessman empowers people and doesn't discriminate, noting that everyone who showed up for his mother's burial has a direct one-on-one relationship with him. Funny Bone concluded by saying that money cannot buy this much love and support. Meanwhile, the outrageous number of livestock gifts is not the only highlight of Obi Kubana's mother's burial. The billionaire businessman successfully shut down the whole of Anambra as his celebrity friends troop into the state to attend the burial. In another video, Obi Kubana could be seen sharing expensive drinks including Hennessy Paradise and Lois XIII Cognac, costing $1,000 per bottle. Obi Kubana also got a 40 million naira diamond-encrusted chain with his mother's face on the pendant for the ceremony. He wrote on Instagram, "Had to cut mama's face on ice." Obi's Gallery, the luxury jewelry designer, confirmed on his page that the billionaire paid $100,000 for the chain. As if things couldn't get any better, the ceremony venue has since been turned into a playground for money showering. Both the businessman and his teenage son sprayed wads of cash like it's paper, while other guests stoned themselves with money as they engaged in playful money fights. Meanwhile, since the details of the burial went viral, Nigeria has begun calling on Netflix to make it into a film titled Crazy Rich Nigerians.
Mommy, the great. We're here. The king of the right. Yes, that's back. This guy's holding back.
Mozenge. Bandu. Okay. Libe Tobacco. Start the hustle. Make EFCC look all your compound. Carry everybody. Leave you alone.
So tell us guys, what do you think about the burial ceremony in honor of Obi Kubana's late mother? What are your biggest highlights of the event? Do you think over 500 livestock is too much a gift for one man? Lastly, do you think Netflix should make the burial highlights into a movie titled Crazy Rich Nigerians?